what we're going to do today is we've got a theory. And the theory is Well Dweller's basement is connected through this right here. So the water that comes from Freddy Krueger's basement loops around, and then it goes to Well Dweller's basement, and then there's a pipe in Well Dweller's basement that goes out to the wetlands. And this gate is completely stuck. It's holding water. They cleaned out Well Dweller's basement. There's no sediment left. It was dry, and then we came back and it had backfilled into more water. So today we're gonna fuck some shit up. We're gonna drop a submersible pump into what is now known as the pit of despair.
Ah, yes!
Right? And we're gonna try and drain it again and then take a look at whether or not this gate is open or closed or plugged, and see if we can't get a better flowing water so that we're not maintaining 2 feet of water. Now, we were ready to go, but Mike realized we have no power out here, so we're kind of waiting on Mike. So interesting factoid about the building. You see the base cap that's 5 rows down, but it looks like a base cap. It's now base cap, but it was a top cap. When the building shut down, I guess in 86. Were you even born in 86?
What? Absolutely not.
Okay.
Sorry, that was rude.
That's cool. Right. The water would come down the road and constantly flood into this. So they added the extra blocks to keep the water from flooding into the basement. A little bit of history. Now you know.
Cool.
Okay, so interestingly enough, it's actually not that deep. That just means that it's full of mud.
Oh, I love that.
I've said this a lot. This is a really dumb idea. You want to go check out Well Dweller?
Well Dweller.
Whoa! Did you get that?
Yes. I wasn't looking, but the camera got it.
Cool.
That's.
Hopefully you got their faces too.
I think so.
Karen and her ninja-like reflexes.
Whew, that's scary.
I don't know what I'm seeing, but I'm seeing something. Or someone ever does voice.
Yeah.
There is no movement here.
Yeah, Mike, this isn't moving.
This is not moving at all. Oh Lord, is that a dead fish carcass?
Oh.
It's moving. It sure as hell is. Look at that.
Oh yeah, it is.
How is it
It is perfectly preserved.
Yeah.
Okay, we're pumping out sections of the basement. We found so far dead birds, dead mice,
And now
a
dead
dead
fish.
cat, and now a dead fish. What idiot decided to use this ladder? Oh, me. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, hell no. What? It's open. So look at backfill. From the valve. Yep.
Well, if we see the dead fish, then we know what's going on.
Yeah, this is a significantly large... Hello, Mother.
Ew, what is that?
Wonder if that was blocking the pipe.
Well, I've seen bubbles come up like there's something underneath there, but gurgling like.
Ew.
Yeah, this isn't dropping though. This water level's not really dropping. That's
I'm really
nice.
not bringing anything out.
That's nice. That's good. That's good news. You know, you're 4 feet in.
And I'm touching bottom of pipe. Yeah, I don't want to walk out anymore. Swing.
How's that? That's a good spot there. Oh yeah. Now we're talking.
The question is, do you want to get me the light so I can see anything underneath there? I don't think I'm going to be able to see.
It might be getting clogged. Bottom of it might have. Yeah, look at it all.
Yep.
More of it's coming out of the building though.
No, but when I'm looking at the building, there's a significant amount of sediment, duh, but it looks like it's only a trickle coming out of the building. That's why I want to see the light. I want to see how much is coming out. Oh, shit. Wow. Yeah, there's a collapse.
Collapse of concrete.
I think. Yeah, okay, for starters, whoever threw the water bottle, I'm coming for you. I mean, the building hasn't fallen over yet. The water that's coming out is coming over a hump of dirt, and there's a partial collapse, and then like there's a high point that just kind of comes up and over. But I mean, if I still owned a dry suit, like a scuba dry suit, I would half consider, you know.
I think we agree I can get out of this mess.
I mean, I'll dig one more time to make sure that. Oh, I got to try and get up first without losing my boot.
I don't think you're gonna do it.
I mean, that's wide open, unless there's something halfway down that we don't know about, because, let's be honest, I pulled that rubber bladder out. I mean, I certainly don't want this going back. I mean, I went 4 foot through, but I'm assuming the pipe is still good here.
I think it was a major find, that discovery that you found that dam, the mud It's 25, 30 feet in.
In your face, Josh Gate.